I'm so excited. Just want to let you guys know I am super excited that I found me a new hiking trail. It is called Skyline. It's in Buckeye. It's this regional park. So that's it. And I am super excited that all these people are out here. I don't have the fear of hiking alone. And yeah, this is going to be truly, truly exciting. I'm so short I can't even see over the bridge. But this is super exciting. I'm looking forward to this hike. I'm going to go off to my right. I seen someone say, hey, when you come here, go to your right. And it's like a big circle, so you get all the way up to the top where there's a nice view. I probably should have stopped right here and did a nice little stretch, but I stretched at home. I'm gonna take a chance to just get it in. So here we go. It's unfortunate that I have a water bottle. It's by Nice from Walgreens, so if anybody want to invest in water, I consider Nice from Walgreens instead of all the other brands. I'm mad that I couldn't find my H2 backpack, but the next time I come out, which is next week, I shall have it. But for right now, we're gonna work with the water bottle. A lot of people just turned off from this trail, so got me a little curious, like, shit, did I go the right way? But I think I did, because I still see signs right here that indicates I'm going the right way. So these are wildflowers that they have out here to give us more information about. I consider myself to be a wildflower, adapt into any type of environment and just blossoming. I love that part about me. Seriously, these people are going like that way. Should I go that way too? Am I missing something? Red-tailed hawk. Let's try that. What you guys think? Should I have turned around and went this way with them? Or should I went for what I knew? I'm not certain. Probably should have brought me a map, huh? Yeah, it probably would have been best. Let's see. Red Trail Hawk. That's this way. And what is this way? Oh, it don't have a sign. Let's ask this gentleman. Maybe he know. Morning. What's the difference between this trail and this one?
So, I've never been down this trail.
Oh, everybody usually go this way?
Well, you can wrap around the mountain. It takes longer that way. The middle where that guy's at in the white, that's really rocky right now. So, this way works.
And this is where that view is at?
The view is that mountain up there.
So you'll go this way to get to the view?
Well, this wraps around, so you can get to it that direction, and this direction. Either way, you're going to meet at a certain point up there.
But that's the longer way?
That takes longer for me. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, it seems like it's popular, so I'm going to try that since I'm alone.
Well,
next time
there's a lot of people here, but you just can't see them. But yeah, this place, I think more people go this way.
All right. Have a great one. We're going to try this route just because I'm alone today. And I think I'll be more adventurous the next round. But for today, we're going to go this way and see what this is about. I shall tune back in